Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. A lot of viewers ask me which strings I prefer on my guitars and why. So in this video, I will discuss my guitar string choices and reasons for those choices. My guitars are tuned standard, E-A-D-G-B-E. So without further ado, let's roll the tape. Even though I own many guitars, my favorite guitar is the Fender Stratocaster. Now Strats typically come with a 9 through 42 gauge set of strings from the factory. I don't use 9 through 42 because I think they sound too thin and they don't hold tune very well. They also go dead a little too soon for me. A 10 through 46 set has a meaty sound but feels a little bit too stiff for me on the Strat. So I wound up with D'Addario EXL 120 Plus electric strings. The gauge is 9.5 through 44, which is slightly lighter than a 10 through 46 set. They give me the meaty sound of a 10 set and are fairly easy to bend, similar to a 9 set. I also use these on my Ibanez guitars. However, on my Les Paul and Gibson style guitars, I use the D'Addario 10 through 46 set because they feel the same to me as the 9.5 on the Strats. One of the things I like about D'Addario strings is that they are consistent. What I mean by that is when it is time to put on a new set of strings, once I get the new ones on the guitar, I stretch them a little and they sound as good as the old ones. Getting a consistently good tone from the strings is very important to me. I have played electric guitars since I was 8 years old and did not own an acoustic until I was 25. I never had to press down very hard to play my electric guitars, so when I moved to acoustic, I looked for the lightest set of strings that I could get away with. I could play a 12 through 54 light set, but I kept searching for something that was a little bit lighter and a little bit easier to play. I finally discovered Martin SP Custom Light Phosphor Bronze 11 through 52 strings, which are slightly lighter than a light set, but have a similar sound. I prefer a bright acoustic sound, so these work well for me. They give me the sound that I like and are easy to press down for chords, and I play them for quite a while before they need to be replaced. They are not cheap, but not really expensive either. They are by far my favorite string set for acoustic guitar. I only have one jazz guitar, my Japanese-made Morris MAB. My string set of choice for this guitar is the D'Addario EC G23 Chrome's 10 through 48 flat wound set. I like their warm, mellow tone and easy on the fingers, smooth feel. The fact that they are a bit heavier gauge than what I normally play on my Strats does not bother me, because I never bend strings when I play jazz-style riffs. Again, I always choose D'Addario because of the consistently good tone between string changes. Well, folks, that's the story on which strings I use, and I'm sticking to it. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.